What if I told you there's a real estate strategy where you don't need great credit, you don't need to manage tenants, and you don't even have to buy a house, but you can still earn solid returns backed by real estate? In this video, I'm breaking down tax liens for beginners step by step. So if you're brand new to investing, this will finally make sense. My name is Shawn, founder of Mountain Bay Enterprises, and on this channel, we talk about real strategies people are using to create income. Not hype, not get-rich-quick nonsense. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications, because we drop real value every week. Let's start simple. A tax lien happens when a property owner does not pay their property taxes. The county still needs that tax money, so instead of waiting years, they allow investors to step in. You, the investor, pay the delinquent taxes, and in return, the county places a lien on the property in your name. Now the homeowner owes you, not the county. You are not buying the house, you are buying the debt, and that debt is backed by real estate. Here's the part that gets people excited. Each state sets a legal interest rate on tax liens. Depending on the state, that could be 8%, 12%, 18%, or more. When the homeowner pays their back taxes, you get your original investment plus interest, plus penalties in some cases. This is one of the few investments where the return is written into law. Tax liens are sold by counties, not banks, not private sellers. You can find them through county treasurer websites, online tax lien auctions, or in-person courthouse auctions. Now let's be real. There are risks if you don't do your homework. You need to research property location, other liens, bankruptcy filings, and whether the property even has value. Tax lien investing is not gambling, but it does require research. At Mountain Bay Enterprises, we also educate on surplus funds, tax foreclosures, and other overlooked real estate opportunities. These strategies all exist because most people don't understand how government systems work, and that's where opportunity lives. If you want to learn more, visit my website at surplusfundsfinders.net and follow me on Instagram at Mountain Bay Enterprises. If this video helped you understand tax liens, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who wants to build wealth but doesn't know where to start. This is Dreams and Dollars, where we turn information into opportunity.